Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I am going to show you the easiest black smoky eye that you've ever seen. I absolutely love a black smoky eye. This is my all-time favorite look. I think a black smoky eye is sexy, it's very chic, it's very powerful, it's amazing. Recently I saw this Shraddha Kapoor's picture and I was like, oh my god, this is such a lovely look. And so many of you asked me to do Shraddha Kapoor look, so I thought of doing this. In today's video, I will also be reviewing another brush set, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I just washed my face with this Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. I've been recently using this and I'm loving it. And now I am going to use this Neutriderm Moisturizing Lotion. This is a vitamin E moisturizing lotion. And I'll just take about this much and then just apply it all over my face. For the primer, I'm going to use this Sugar Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer and I'm going to mix this with a little bit of this Bling Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is in the shade Gold Digging. So it gives my skin a beautiful glow. So this is my natural lip color, guys, and you've been asking me a lot about what lip balm I use. Sometimes I use this Derma Naturals Strawberry Lip Balm, and sometimes I use this Baby Lips one. This is in the shade Brooklyn Bronze. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this Milani Conceal Unperfect Foundation. So for the concealer, I'm going to use this Elegoo Pro Conceal HD Concealer. And then I'm just going to blend it. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Then I'm just going to blend it. Now to set my under eye area, I'm going to take this Sugar Powder Play Banana Compact. This one is a yellow based compact, so it will not only set my under eye area but also highlight it. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Taupe. The base is done and it looks pretty good. I'm really happy with it. Okay, so Plume sent me a new brush set to try. This brush set has got 23 pieces. I've been trying out lots of brushes recently. I've also tried Plume brushes. The previous ones, I will link them here so that you can go and see. And I have been trying out brushes of different brands also. I'm super excited to try this one. So I'll show you a couple of brushes up close. So this is the first one. This is their angled brush and it feels super soft. You can use this one for contouring since it's an angled brush. So if you can see, the name is mentioned on the white handle, and then there's a steel body, and then there's the soft brush. It looks really professional with the white handle. I really like, brushes having white handles. This one is also a flat-topped brush and it's a little narrow. You can also use this for contouring since it's a narrow one and it'll fit right under your cheekbones. Then you've got this big powder brush, flat foundation brush. They've got this fan brush which is used for highlighting. Then this dome brush. I would love to use this dome brush for setting my under eye area if I use a loose powder. And then you can see there are lots of eye brushes. You can do lots of eye makeup using these brushes. If you have these brushes, then I don't think you need any more brushes in your collection. So there's a flat shader brush. Then there's this round eyeshadow brush. An angled brush. And this one's super interesting. This is a crooked eyeliner brush. With this brush, it's super easy to do eyeliners. Just don't have to hold it like that. You can just hold it normally and then just tilt it. There's this angled flat shader brush. And there's this blending brush. And these brushes are super soft. There's this again flat angled brush, a round domed brush, again a flat shader brush. They have this pencil brush which is very important to do your under eye area with. Then there's this flat shader brush. I'm very impressed with the collection here because it's a lot of brushes and a variety of brushes. These brushes are vegan. These brushes are available individually as well as in sets. You can go buy your own and I'll mention the link in the description box below. These are all vegan brushes, cruelty free, and the handle is made of good quality wood. Now is the time to test it out. I'm going to use this I Love Revolution Now, that's what I call makeup palette. So I'm going to take the big fluffy blending brush, and for the crease area I'm going to take this shade. The brush is super soft and it actually blended really well. I'm really happy with how it blended my eyeshadow. Now using this flat shader brush, I'm going to take this dark brown shade. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. I love how the brush reaches the inner corners of my eyes. I am impressed. The quality is really good. Now using this flat shader brush, I'm going to take the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. So the base of the eyeshadow is pretty much done. Now I'm going to take this Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout from Sugar, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. I think I'm going to blend it using this dome-shaped pencil brush because it's going to reach the inner corners of my eyes really easily. It's actually blending the kajal really well. Do you see the difference? And I'm also going to extend it a little bit towards the outer edge. Okay, so this one is an intense black smoky eye. I don't think I've ever done a black smoky eye this intense and this easy. So the kajal is a very intense kajal, and as you blend the kajal, you'll realize that it's turning into some kind of a weird powdery effect, almost like an eyeshadow effect, which I really am impressed. And it was not quite easy to blend out the kajal since it's quite a smudge proof kajal, but the brush made it really easy for me. So I'm done with the eyes. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Sugar Lash Mob Limitless Mascara, and this mascara has got to be my favorite in recent times because I've just been using this and nothing else. Okay, so now I'm going to use a bronzer. I'm going to use this shade from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. For the bronzer, I think I'm going to go with this angled brush. Oh yes. It actually did a great job in blending my bronzer. Just a little bit on my forehead and my jawline. While I was actually applying the bronzer, I was using the side of the brush. Now I'm going to use the head of the brush to just blend everything. I'm going to try my nose contour using this eyeshadow brush. And then I'm just going to blend it out. And I just popped in some lashes. These are from Nykaa. These are the Melodrama lashes. I'm going to use this Milani Blossomtime Rose, shade number 11. I love using this blush because of the slight glow it gives, and it's a beautiful color. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the classic fan brush. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this Make It Last setting powder from Milani in the shade number 4. On my forehead, nose, upper lip and chin. I don't think Shraddha has a lot of highlighter going on, so I'm leaving it at that. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this Sugar Matte Attack Transferproof lipstick in the shade Peachwood MAC. Her lip shade is a little bit more lighter, so I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to dab it. I think Shraddha's lipstick is a little bit more lighter, but I think I'm going to stop at this one. Otherwise, a lighter lipstick just washes out my face, which I really don't like. I prefer this shade. Whenever you are recreating somebody else's look, just do it according to what suits you, you know. If you want to tweak in a little, just do that. If you want to lighten up the lips, just do that. If you want to darken the lips, just do that. Whatever suits your face. You just don't need to have the exact lip shade or exact eyeshadow shade. Just play around with it. I love the products I used today. The brushes are really soft and they blended the products really well, and I'm pretty impressed with the brushes. If you guys would want to know if I would recommend this to you guys, yes, definitely I would recommend the brush set to you guys. You can buy according to your needs. They are available individually as well as in sets. So this is it. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. Bell icon is really important, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.